Okay, I want to do a quick video on design tips and tricks. There's a couple of things about molding packages that most people just take for granted, and I wanted to go over a few things that are maybe outside of what your normal design is and what you normally order, just so that you can see how it benefits us in the field. So first thing is, of course, we're doing an island. You can see the island here with an outside corner. So we have outside corner molding to do that with. That's normal. But you see this baseboard that's here. Now this baseboard is specific baseboard that is 5 1/4 inches tall. Okay. Normally OG pilaster molding or something's only 4 1/2. But the thickness, if you look, that is actually a 5/8 thick, a little thinner profile. Instead of it being a full 3/4 inch thick. So this is an alternate type of base skirting to go around the bottom of your island. As you can see right here, I'm going to use it around the bottom of the island there. But the other reason I was showing it out is it looks more like the standard base that you're seeing in a lot of houses. See how wide that base is, about 6 inches wide there. So the 5 1/4 inch base, the 5/8 thickness, this is an actual molding that most of the companies have that we never see. We actually see OG pilaster molding for that instead. Now the other reason I wanted to show you this, Toekick comes in different widths. Most of my designers, they think of Toekick, they think of this guy right here, which is 4 1/2 inches wide, which is your WTMK8. This is your basic Toekick. But if you've got an older home, for instance, on our detail, we say that there's a drop in the floor of an inch or whatever. This is a 8 1/2 inch wide, almost 9 inch wide Toekick. And this is what they call a universal Toekick. It's still 1/4, 3/16 thick panel, but it is wider. So if I've got blocking, like today we're using these 5/8 blocks underneath the cabinets here. See those 5/8 blocks? Well, the customer is getting 12 millimeter pre-padded floating floor laminate, thick, really thick. So we're actually uprising all the cabinets. See here how we've extended that skin to the floor. We're lifting all the cabinets up on these 5/8 blocks so that we don't lose anything in the dishwasher opening or gain anything with the floor thicknesses. So there's a reason though, when we're using the wider Toekick, if you will set this, designate this as your regular Toekick for your orders, in older homes especially, we can sculpt that to match the floor. So if it's 4 1/2 inches on the right hand side, say, and 5 1/2 inches down there, what are we going to nail quarter round to? So if we have the wider Toekick, I think it's called universal Toekick, it's for the ADA type cabinets. If we have the wider Toekick, then we can actually use that to shape and match the floor profile so that your quarter round and stuff will cover and also have something to nail to. A good factor when you're designing is knowing that these types of moldings are available, but if you want to make it a regular practice, having the wide 10-inch wide Toekick is not that much more expensive. We're talking maybe $7 a piece for the pieces. And as far as applications in the field, you can do step out and actually skin the side if you've forgotten to flush finish the ends of cabinets on the left and right hand side of where your microwave is. We've got the wide wide Toekick that we can use to fix that with. There's several reasons that wide Toekick actually comes in to be a good thing on the job site. You see here also, these are leftovers. So these are leftovers. I always cut up a few of these color samples for customers, and that way they can have something to put in their purse or their bag and take with them to Lowe's and take a look at colors that they're working with. Of course, this is a natural, basically a wheat is what it is on oak. These Toekick materials are becoming pretty huge for us, especially if you could get in the habit of ordering the wider. We don't care to cut it down. We'd rather have the material than we would to have the strip material that's too short when it comes to an out of level situation. Take that for what it is. If you guys have any questions on those use of those baseboards and Toekicks, give me a call at 423-650-1051.